YouTube video with no earphones. Okay. So, we're going to be doing my makeup routine. Yeah. I can't figure out where I like my lip. So, what we start out with first is just this really nice Francis Mist. Really pretty. Smelly. It smells so good. You can see the cherries. You might hear buzzing because people are texting me from this group chat we have. Okay, so there was that. The next thing we do is this concealer. So we're just going to put that under my eyes. You can't tell because of the lighting. But you see that. I'm going to peel this sticker off. If I can get the first part of it. Can't get it started. Oh my gosh. I hate when you can't get tape over anything. You probably couldn't hear that, but it's okay. Start from this and go to here. Start over here. Okay. So now, what we're going to do is blend it. I put some on my nose before this video. Because the other video, I went deaf with my earphones. So I had to restart. So I already have it on my nose, not my eyes. But I have my freckles that will show. I look really plastic when I do that. I think that's a pimple. I think that's a pimple. I hate pimples. It's okay. Okay, so It's not a camera, it's a mirror. What am I saying? I can't get things straight. Okay, so did it just click off? Oh no. That's my video. Okay. Sorry about that. I saw Audrina was a new subscriber just now. Hi, Audrina. Yes, I do ASMR. Do not tell anyone or I will kill you. I'm just kidding. But really, don't tell anyone. Please. These are really crunchy. Okay, go. Please don't tell. I never wear makeup, but maybe mascara. So this is kind of makeup. I made this one up. Next, I'm putting this eyeshadow primer. Did not see that at all. Stupid lamp is in my way. Okay, well, it's eyeshadow. Well, it's eyeshadow primer, so believe it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on my finger. The crease. I'm gonna put this on the other finger. I use a lot for it, but your eyes should be greasy by now. Sorry, I was reading a text message. Okay, so next we are going to put this on. Let's see where to go. Where's my eyeshadow at? Here it is. Okay, so I just got this palette for Christmas. It's really shiny. And I got this palette from the same brand as I just use everything else in. Except my concealer was in my ex. So we're gonna use this hard candy one. I don't really know, but the colors are sparkly, so. Audrey, if you're watching this, do not tell anybody. Reminder. Open this. If I can get it open. Oh my god, there's freaking tape. That's good. If I can get it another tape on the other side. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it. So then we have this brush. Really cute eyeshadow brush. Cute. It's an eyeshadow brush. Stipple, 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 stipple. The other side is shorter. Might be able to hear me breathing heavy because I do that. Okay, now we're gonna put the eyeshadow on 10 hours later. Okay, so we're gonna do this one. We're gonna do a white color. Like the corner, like this. Shine. And then we're going to get this corner of the eye. And we're gonna get the back corners of my eyes. I got eyeliner and I don't even use it. I'm not even gonna do that in this video because I don't know how. So now I'm gonna get the longer side and I'm gonna do this really pretty blue. Okay. You all might be able to see, might not. Gosh, it looks so plastic. Look. Let's not do that. Over there. Oh, gosh. You might see me wearing the white corners in school, Audrina. I don't wear makeup to school. Do this purple. I'm like darken it up here. It's just in that corner. Other corner. Those are my eyes. They look okay. No, other eye. They don't look that is really, 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 if you can tell, it's really wet. Like, it's really wet. And it works really good. Like, it's not the best mascara, like, ever. Really, it's just really, like, wet. And, like, just, like, curls your lashes. And flakes them up some, but it curls them mostly. Like, you can tell the black is literally around the edges. It's so wet. Which is good. It's good mascara. I'm only 10 years old, and are you serious? I just got it. My makeup now, guys. I believe it looks even better with that. Oh my god, it's so annoying. And I just ran out of makeup wipes this morning. Okay, it's halfway gone. It's okay. Stop texting. People text so much. I'm so famous. Just kidding. What is that? Is that mascara? If so, I'm like literally gonna throw up in a minute. I'll be back getting this off my lip. Okay. I got it off my lip. Yeah. Okay. So now is lipstick. I love this color lipstick. I also have a highlighter I got for Christmas. But this is called it's a matte brand. And it's like a cream color. Matte lip cream. You might be able to see it. You might not be able to see it. Why do I make such long I just make long ASMRs for some reason. They're just long. Okay. I've never used this before. Well, yes, I have. I've tried it on. But I didn't realize that it's a really long brush. Oh my god, I hate it. I love this color because, like, if you wear it, people won't even notice. It just looks like you have really smooth lips. Just looks like you have really smooth lips. Because you can't really, like look. Hey guys, you wouldn't know I had lipstick on. My mom said to try lip liner when I do this video. Or just to try lip liner. Just like, because I was telling her I don't use lip liner on Christmas. She told me just to try it. It's got it on my edges. Really pretty lipstick. Let me find my highlighter. Okay, there it is. Here's my highlighter. for your lips. It's really good. I've used it before. It's like chapstick made in a weird way. Sorry about that. Closing cabinets. Okay, so it does not get on your brush, so that's good. So what you do is you just like this, like look up, like this, and you just have like a little, your own like little self. Get dots over here. So I'm gonna use this. Highlights your lips a little bit. And if you look straight, you can just, you get the top, and you just see that little glance over it. I look beautiful. That was weird. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you are watching, make sure to subscribe and like my video. Oh, 1 second, I'll be back. Okay, we can start back where we left off. Thank you for watching. This is really long. I'm so sorry. If I look good, if I look bad, comment, subscribe, like this video, turn on my post notifications.